So all the even numbers are those that can be divided into two equal groups without any leftover. Okay, so let's first identify the even numbers from 0 to 10. So 0 is an even number because you can add uh, 0 to itself. So 0 plus 0, it gives 0. Okay, so 0 and 0 are equal, and when they are added together, it gives 0. That's why 0 is an even number. Can that be true for 1? No, because 1 cannot be added in two equal groups. Okay, 1 plus 0 gives 1, but 1 and 0 are not same. What about 2? So, yes, 2 can be added in two equal groups, which is 1 plus 1. So, that is an even number. Okay, so likewise, I'll find out and circle only the even numbers from 0 to 10. So I can select multiple circles by pressing the shift key on my keyboard. So 0 is an even number, 2 is an even number, 4 is an even number, 6, 8. Okay, I'm gonna leave out 10. 10 is also an even number, but I'm gonna not focus on it right now. Why did I, give emphasis on the rest of the numbers? Because there is a trick. So if you are asked to, identify all the even numbers from such a large range, like from 0 to 200, it will be very tedious to divide each number into two equal groups and then identify whether it is an even number and odd number, right? For example, if I ask you to make two equal groups of 174, it's going to take some time, right? And after identifying whether the two groups are equal, you would be able to tell whether it is an even or odd. So the easy trick is always look at the units place of the big numbers. Okay, and if that unit place is any of these numbers that I have circled, then it means it is an even number. For example, let's take 185. Okay, so 185 ends with digit 5, or the units place of 185 is 5. Now, 5 is not an even number. So, 185 is not an even number, right? Now, let's take 198. Okay, so 198 ends with the digit 8, which I've circled. It is an even number. So 198 is an even number. Okay, so now you can ask the student to identify all the even numbers from 0 to 200. And remember, you can do a quick test by simply looking at the units place, or the digit with which the number ends, and tell us whether it is an even or odd number. Select multiple circles by simply pressing the shift key on your keyboard, and then continue to circle the even numbers. So you can decide whether you want to circle all the even numbers or you want to circle the odd numbers. Anything is fine. Okay, we need to simply differentiate between the even and odd numbers.